Agent skills are powerful because they let you package domain knowledge in a bunch of Markdown files and additional resources like scripts that your Claude or Codex can execute when you need to do a specific task. And it can improve the quality a lot when it doesn't have to come up with the script on the fly. However, the default mode is to use bash scripts. Lots of people write their skills in bash, and today I want to show you a better alternative, which are UV scripts. So UV is a package and project manager for Python, and it lets you write and execute Python scripts that are portable, meaning that you can include any dependencies from the Python ecosystem, but you don't have to set up a whole project with a virtual environment and so on. You can just write specific commands at the top of the file that includes all the dependencies you need, and you run the script with UV, and in the background it will just install everything in a temporary virtual environment and execute your script. So it's very powerful because you have Python scripts that contains many dependencies that can do very powerful stuff, and you don't have to set up anything. So it's perfect. It's the perfect format for skills, for agent skills, because you limit the setup and you have access to the huge power of the Python ecosystem. Okay, so let me show you how it works. I have a Claude plugin with a lot of different skills that I use across different projects. And now I will show you specifically the fal-ai skill. So it's a skill that lets Claude interact with the fal-ai API. So fal is a provider for a lot of image generation and video generation models. So here is the structure quickly of the skill. So here we have the guides. So here it's a guide for Kling 03. So it's a prompting guide that explains the model how to use to write prompts in a better way for Kling. So if I quickly show you, here you have the guide and Kling. So you can see here it's a bunch of Markdown stuff. But the most interesting part is the script. So if we look at here the script for fal-ai, we can see that it starts with these specific comments. So the script, we say which version of Python we require, and we have all the dependencies here. So we say we need the file client, HTTPX, typer, so we have nice CLI, and rich for beautiful formatting on the command line. Here you can use that script super easily by going in the script and running the Python file. So you see it works already. And as you can see, I have no virtual environment, nothing. So it's just fal-ai script, and UV installs everything in the background for me and runs it. So now I will show you quickly how Claude interacts with this kind of script. So here I will launch Claude, and I will ask it use the fal-ai skill to generate a funny image. And now we can take a look. So he successfully loaded the skill, sorry. And now he's running our fal-ai script. Now you can see that it uses Flux 2 Pro with the prompt, and it's generating. So now it's downloading, and we can see here the output. So let's open it and see what we got. Here it is. So that's it. The point of the video is to show you just that you can build very powerful scripts that use a lot of dependencies from the Python ecosystem by using UV scripts, because they allow you to package everything in a single portable script with only the dependencies mentioned at the top of the script, and you can run everything without creating a full project with the pyproject.toml and all the virtual environment stuff. I hope it will be useful for you. See you in the next one.